Alright, this short video is going to show you how to set up the clear all button. It's going to run a little piece of code that's going to clear all of the fields that you need to clear at the end of the day to reset the point sheet and have it ready for the next day. This will just save you a ton of time from going through each tab and deleting the data to get your point sheet set up for the next day. So I'm going to start with a brand new point sheet. And this is a pretty quick setup. It's a one-time setup, so once you do this the first time, you're not going to have to do it anymore. It'll be ready to go. So what I'm going to do first, this is a blank point sheet. You can see the sample name and level is here, but all the schedules are cleared out, so there's nothing in there right now. And I'll just put in some numbers here to show you how this works. And then just some fake data in here. Alright, so we've got some data in this point sheet, and at the end of the day this needs to be cleared out. Let's say the student earned 4 turnaround points. So what you would normally do is highlight this and delete it, highlight these and delete it, uncheck all your boxes or delete this and delete this to get everything reset. So what I've done is written a little bit of simple code that makes this process kind of a one-step with this button. So when you go to your schedule page, you'll see clear all point sheets. So this is what you need to do. The very first time, you're going to click on that button. You're going to see it says running script. We're going to give it a couple seconds. It's going to realize it can't do it because Google doesn't have the permission. Alright, so you'll get this pop up. Click continue. Click on the account that you want to use for these point sheets. Should be the same one. Alright, so you're going to get this. Google hasn't verified this app. This is okay. It's nothing to worry about. Just click on advanced. Scroll down here where it says go to recorded macros. Click on that. And now you're going to allow Google to run that script. Okay, so now it's set up. It hasn't actually done anything on your first try because you were just setting it up. So I come back. Now when I click on it, I see running script. Ran it. It only takes about 3 or 4 seconds. And it cleared all those fields that I needed cleared. And so that's all you have to do at the end of the day or in the morning. Click that button and it'll clear all 10 of your point sheets, only those fields that you need cleared. Now there is a glitch with Google. Sometimes this button disappears when you're clicking around on different sheets. This button will disappear. If it does, just hit the refresh button and the button will pop back up. So that one clear all point sheets button will save you a ton of time resetting your point sheets.